Good day all and welcome to Elite Currency webinar. And this is Nenad speaking, and we will check major markets and any potential trading ideas on, of course, Black Widow system. And this is the chart. I will quickly bring it in. We have already closed two trades today, guys. Actually, we had GBP New Zealand long trade, which went very, very nicely to the upside. We could have made much more pips, but I was happy with number of pips that we made because markets were, it was just today it's Thanksgiving Day and US Columbus Day, so I didn't want to wait more. 45 pips in the GBP New Zealand. A perfect long trade here, guys. We left the trade from Friday. Very good trade. It even got higher, but this is what we got. And of course, Euro New Zealand, we also got nice long. It broke out, made some profits, and we made today GBP New Zealand and Euro New Zealand profitable. For all of you who are asking how we did it, we are having, of course, I'm having my Telegram channel in my company Elite Currency. We are running it, and you can also always check my FX book performance on ECS live signals. Black Widow system you can see here, guys. And of course, if you want to follow it, I will just give you the link. You can follow this ECS live course account here with this link. Everything is fully transparent and fully verified. Also, one more thing, guys, if you want to be a part of active trading community where I post exactly all setups, trading ideas, trade management, whatever, or you want to get Black Widow for yourself, guys, then you can, of course, do go here, guys. This is effectively the last semi-automated system that I have created. It's very accurate, profitable. Now I will be focusing also on my own expert advisors. But for semi-automated systems, this is it, guys. You can sign up for live. I'm doing this instead of robot. Literally, I'm putting signals here. You can check it here. You can go for one of the package. And basically, this is something which you can, of course, go for. Okay, so check it in and see which package you want to, of course, use. These are definitely this is the page with our methods, and this is my ECS live. Now, guys, quick trading ideas. I have Euro Yen long. This is clear signal from my Black Widow system. Market got into the zone, so you can see here, this is the zone. Okay, market got into the zone. It showed reversal signal. This is the confirmation. Also here, 2 out of the 3 indicators are there, and I expect a further move up. So, guys, if this is free webinar which is being uploaded to YouTube. So I hope that you will see this signal here, of course, by my Black Widow. Okay, here, there, and this is the zone. Bang. I expect the market to go up. So what can I say? Pretty good start of the trading week with 2 wins, and hopefully this will also add to 1 more win so we can score 3 winning trades. Outside of that, guys, let's check other markets as well. Australian dollar yen could also set up for a long. So if you see a pullback here in this zone, with Black Widow traders, you know what to do. You need to wait for this blue line to cross over the red line and wait for reversal signal. For other traders who don't use Black Widow, you guys watch this zone for potential long opportunities within your own trading methods and your own trading systems. So for Black Widow, it's clear. For all of you who don't have Black Widow, watch these zones for potential longs. This is again, it's a slow day due to non-existent U.S. markets. We have Thanksgiving, we have Columbus Day, so probably this will happen maybe in the night or during the Tokyo session. Euro yen is there. We have long. German DAX is also bullish. I was waiting for a long. I didn't get it. And of course, the last one I will show you, euro dollar, guys. Again, similar thing. I was waiting for a long. The range is only 39 pips. You can see here, 39 pip is the range. So what I would like to see is market getting here in this zone, 1769, 1786, and then from this spot, Black Widow traders wait for the signal. All other guys, well, watch for 1762 to 1789 for potential long opportunities. Okay, that was the euro dollar. Outside of this GBP crosses, we won't be having any trades there. Dollar yen is short, but it needs to go up first. So for the dollar yen, wait for the market to retrace here, guys, in this zone, 105.80, let's say 105.70. 505.87 or higher, it doesn't matter. This is the zone. If the market gets there, Black Widow traders, you know what to do. All others, guys, watch for your own systems and selling within this zone. If you have any other questions, guys, feel free to ask me. There will be no more trading opportunities today because of, as I said, slower markets. Slow US market, actually non-existent US market, and Canadian market. So next major session is actually Tokyo session. So if you want to see more, then you really need, guys, to wait for a Tokyo session. Now this is de-risking. I already have a long here in euro yen, but you can see that dollar yen is actually dropping, which means dollar strength. Anyway, guys, I'm long euro yen. My entry is very, very clear. My entry in the euro yen is 124.40, 43. This is it. Let's see. Stop loss should go to 124 zone, 124.05. One more market which also was interesting to me, but the trades simply didn't happen, is gold. Gold market is bullish here. I know, I mean, we can short it. Much better is we short it. But for Black Widow traders, for Black Widow, I'm not talking about other systems. This is the zone to go long. So if the market gets there, get there, wait for a signal. Black Widow traders, all of you other, wait for a signal here on your systems. You might get a trade. So guys, that was it. Quick trading ideas. I don't have any moments. If you're interested to trade with us and to get a perfect trade management, signals, everything, join our Telegram channel. Yeah, well, that's it. Also, one more thing, guys. If you have time and you have wish, please, markets are different. And we offer a wide variety of products. If you're happy with our services, and especially I'm talking about my live service, please, you can leave a nice review here on this website. It will take you only 1 minute, and give us the mark which you think that we should have. As I say, some people are not happy for some expert advisors that we offer, but because you're here and you maybe trade with us and you like these trading ideas or ECS live service, please get there and vote for us. Give us the best vote. Thank you, guys. We will see what will happen. I will be here with you next week. This webinar is being uploaded to YouTube channel, and I wish you to trade safe, guys. Cheers, and see you soon. As always, guys, how I say, bye for now.